Welcome everyone. So yes, a lot of people thought that the answer for this one is 1, but that is incorrect. Now see, please understand. First, let's try BODMAS or PEMDAS, whatever you're following, okay? In both the cases, we know one thing for sure, that first the parenthesis or the brackets has to be done. So this can be written as what? 18. Now there is no sign between 18 and this bracket, so basically it becomes 18 into 2 plus 3 gets you 5. Okay, we'll keep the rest as is. Divide by 18 into, see, please understand, whenever there is no sign between any numbers or a bracket and a number, basically they are trying to say it is multiplication. Okay, and then 2 plus 3 again gets you what? 5. Now what happens next is, see, according to BODMAS or PEMDAS, division and multiplication, please understand, remember that in BODMAS people think that division happens first, and in PEMDAS, a lot of people think that multiplication happens first. That is incorrect. Both of them, division and multiplication, hold equal precedence in mathematics. So when you have a question like this, where it is just purely division and multiplication, in that case, you just go from left to right. So first we'll do 18 into 5, that is what? 90. Now please understand, whenever there's a division sign, you apply the rule of KCF, means keeping the first number as it is. C stands for changing the division sign to multiplication, and F stands for flipping or taking the reciprocal of the next number. So flipping of 18 or reciprocal of 18 is what? 1 upon 18 into 5 will keep as it is. So here, as we know it, this is 1za and 5za. So now your answer comes out to be 5 into 5, which is coming out to be 25. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.